The foundation goes right here by the river. And the materials are arriving now. Direct the tractor to unload the pipes first.
All right, move that truck closer to the stack.
Careful with the pipes. Make sure they are secure.
Hold it steady. Bring it down 5 centimeters. Locked in place.
Get that brace secured now. Move the crane into position, quickly. Watch the foundation. It's shifting again.
The wheel is rotating smoothly. Initial yield looks promising.
But look at the spillage. We are losing efficiency here.